Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone.
We are in California right now.
But we're going to give tribute to DMX. It's sad to hear what happened, and we also want to give tribute to the company that he was with.
The Rough Riders family.
Exactly.
Dancil, The Locks, Swiss Beats, Drag On, MC Jin, Fiend, Asia Smith, and last but not least, DMX.
Exactly. DMX was a mogo, and when my brother and I were younger, we saw a few of his films, and it's actually what inspired my brother and I to get into this industry and get into the music and a little bit of the acting. And you know, DMX, he was an amazing person. He was a family man, he was a father, he was a mogo, musician, an actor. He was talented in his own right.
And everybody has their ups and downs, but we're gonna leave this on a good note right here, and we're gonna let it go because we want everyone to know the good that DMX has done.
Exactly. We can't exactly categorize all the good that he's done, but we just know DMX was a legend and a mogo. So we're going to cut it off short.
We want to carry on the legacy. We out.